Hello everyone, today we are going to try a product of Autodesk that is called Wonder Dynamics. It is a product a little specific that practically creates animations through videos that we can upload, that we can use for example also with our character, so ourselves, and then afterwards we can go and modify these videos by inserting characters that are already available. So what happens? We make a video replacement with characters that they have inserted into this location. Anyone who takes care of 3D can also load their own character and then animate it directly within the available products. The structure is quite simple. We have the home area where you can create new projects. Here are the projects that you will create in the home area. Return to this location. Here are some elements that have already been used, so they are basically animated templates. Here are the characters, and here are the projects that you will do. Here I have made 3, I have exported them and so on. Then here are some tools, which are tools for the plans that are paid. Here are the templates that I showed you inside the home area, divided. So we have scenes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And here are my assets, so my videos that I can upload videos. The video makes you upload them. The characters instead make you upload them if you have a payment plan. So if you want to use a particular character, you need to have a payment plan. Upgrade, it takes you directly to the location that we have already seen. Then there is Discord, documentation, support and some tutorials. I will not do the tutorials regarding the management, for example in Blender. If you want to work, for example, in Blender, things of this type, you can watch this type of tutorial. Now we will make some examples inside Wonder for that generation of the animations of these characters.